Hello everyone, my name is Marta and this is my third video about the coaching session you can win at Softjourn. If you haven't seen the previous videos, I highly recommend to check them on our page. And today I would like to talk about the job search itself. So for example, if you're in job search, from where to start, how to approach it, what to do step by step. Let's start. Firstly, when you're in a job search, I recommend updating your CV and LinkedIn profile. There are great samples of CVs in Word or Canva for free, or you can Google some paid resources. With CV, it's the same as with LinkedIn profile. There will be the structure and you can just fill in all the necessary information. You can have a look if your title is updated with a seniority level, shortly describe your experience in a summary section, and make sure that all the companies you worked for are listed together with projects. For example, if you had a couple of projects within one company, I recommend listing all of them. There could be just like a general description. So for example, a web project, financial project, e-commerce project, a short description of your responsibilities and technical skills used for this project. After that, you can add some licenses and certifications if there are such. Adding languages and education section is also highly recommended. Secondly, you can outline for yourself a list of important things about your future company. After applying for a couple of positions, after having a few phone screening interviews with recruiters, it might be hard for you to remember all of the information. So this table in a spreadsheet might help you to structurize information about your job search, about companies you applied for, list positions, industries, and company names that might be interesting for you. Save all the necessary information about the benefits, requirements, and responsibilities. So there are a lot of different job boards in different countries where you can search, for example, applying some filters using that information that you outlined previously for yourself, what is important there, right? But I also recommend checking career pages of the companies. And for example, if you find an interesting job for you, I recommend applying through the website directly, also adding some short information about yourself. There is also a hint. So for example, you can find a recruiter responsible for this position on LinkedIn. Connect with them and also write a short message that you would like to join the company and that this position is interesting for you. This might help you to receive an answer sooner. Moreover, if you have friends working in IT industry in such company that is interesting for you, you can ask them to refer your CV and it will also increase chances to be invited to the interview. And probably my last recommendation. So submitting the same resume for every position can't possibly meet the employer's individual requirements. So it's highly recommended tailoring your CV before applying to the particular job. When applying for a job, customizing your CV allows you to highlight the specific skills, qualifications, and experience that align with the requirements in the job position. So basically, you can check the requirements for the position, check your CV, and understand if you have those necessary skills mentioned. Probably you might have this experience, but for example, it is not listed in your CV. But I will be really glad to help you with the CV on the coaching session as well. So please check the information in the video description.